Hello, Miss Sue here. Thank you for visiting my channel. Today we will make word family sliders. So here's what we need. We need construction paper, index cards, and a ruler. And I would like to use black Sharpie for writing letters and green and red Sharpies for writing lines, drawing the lines, and a paper cutter and a pen. So let's get started. So let's make a line first. To be consistent with teaching writing alignment, I prefer to use a green line so kids know where to start. Green means go, red means stop. I always chant, so using that, I will draw green line on the top and dotted line in the middle and red on the bottom. And first, let's start with add family. So I'm going to give a little space in front, about 2 inch in front, and write at. Now we will cut the paper. So this is a line that we will cut. We will cut about 1.5 inch to 2 inch, no more than 2 inch in front here. So a little bit of space down below the red line. We'll cut here, and we will cut on the top. Cut this line on the top. Slits. So now it's time to cut the construction paper. So I will make it about 1.5 inch size strip. Since I will double the paper, I'll just cut. Okay, now I have this 1.5 inch. I don't think it's more than 2 inch. Yeah, 1 3/4. So I'll just slide this construction paper through the slit and bring this out. And here we will draw the line again. And we can write down add family words. So first I'll start with cat. C-A-T, cat. And slide up. Let's go with letter F. Candy cane down, close the middle, letter F. Fat. Okay, let's move it up. So this is the word family sliders. The child can push it up or pull it down to practice the sound and the letter. C-A-T, cat. Push up and bring it down. F-A-T, fat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. P-A-T, pet. So whoever gets down first will be the winner, okay? We will play rock, paper, scissors, say shoot, okay? Ready? Rock,
paper, scissors, say shoot.
So first one, cat.
Rock, paper, scissors,
Say shoot. Mommy, come down. Fat.
You're fat.
Okay, get down.
I win.
And fill in the blank. 이거 뭐 넣을 수 있어?
Tam.
Tam. Miss Tam.
Yeah.